How's it going, G Freaks and Sci-Fi Fanatics? This is Daniel. Now this is my theory and opinion video for the icon, the one, the only, Gojira/Godzilla, the true king of the monsters. Now this is just some of my theories on the film. I believe Godzilla is in a state of hibernation, just keep it to himself. Then I believe he starts to feel, sense, hear either Ghidorah, Rodan, or Mothra. I'm pretty sure it's Ghidorah. And of course, Godzilla is also an alpha and will battle King Ghidorah and will probably lose. I think Godzilla isn't entirely fond of humanity, but I really think, like in the first film, he doesn't really acknowledge their presence until obviously in this movie. In my opinion, I think Godzilla will have a connection to Mothra and Madison Russell, and I believe Dr. Serizawa will fulfill his dream even at the cost of his life. Godzilla will power up with anger and rage in his mind, and he's gonna take it to King Ghidorah. He's gonna reclaim his title, his pride, and his claim to the most powerful creature on the planet, a true king of the monsters. So there's my theory and opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below, leave your thoughts. Just like all of you, I'm highly anticipating and being very impatient, just wishing Godzilla King of the Monsters would already come out. So this is Daniel, the Sci-Fi Sentry. I hope you all have a good Monday. Always coming at you raw and real, and I'm out.